Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by requesting docking clearance from the station when you are 1,000 meters out. Wait for a clear reply and accept the assigned docking port number through ship comms. Check your HUD to confirm the port ID and approach vector for accuracy. Reduce speed gradually and aim to slow to 100 meters per second as you cross the 200-meter mark. Monitor traffic and station instructions. Prepare to switch to precision controls once you reach 100 meters distance. When you reach 100 meters, switch to precision controls to carefully manage thrust and rotation. Use small lateral and vertical thruster inputs to align your approach vector with the docking corridor and port entrance. Reduce forward speed to under 10 meters per second when inside 30 meters for safer handling. As you close to 10 meters, slow to under 2 meters per second and keep your orientation matched to the port marker. Hold steady and wait for the auto-docking. Assist to engage if make final contact with the docking collar and allow the station to magnetically secure your ship. Follow on-screen prompts to power down engines, deploy boarding ramps, and seal the connection for safe exit. Verify that cargo and crew transfer protocols are complete before opening interior doors. When ready to depart, request undocking clearance from the station and power up essential systems. Slowly reverse away while maintaining alignment. Increase thrust gradually once you clear the immediate docking radius to resume normal flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.